Let me ask you a quick question. Why do we say an umbrella but a uniform? And why do we say an hour but a hotel? Aren't they all starting with vowels or H? Why are they different? Today, I'm going to teach you the simplest way to never confuse a and again. After this, you won't be guessing, you will understand it. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. A cat, a dog, a teacher, a book. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. An apple, an egg, an umbrella. But here is a secret most people don't know. It is not about spelling, it is about sound. Take a look at this. We say a uniform and a unicorn. Why? Because they sound like uniform, unicorn. That U sound is like a Y sound, which is a consonant sound, so we use A. Now let's meet some ghost H words. Those words have an H at the very beginning, but when we speak, the H completely disappears like a ghost. It's totally silent. Hour becomes hour. Honest becomes honest. Honor becomes honor. Air becomes air. Since the H disappears and we only hear that vowel sound at the start, we use an hour, an honest man, an honor, an air. But watch out! Not all H words are ghost. Listen carefully. Hotel, house, hospital. Can you hear the H? The H is alive and kicking. It makes a real consonant sound. So we say a hospital, a hotel, a house. So remember the simple rule. Don't just look at the letters first. Listen to the first sound you hear. Follow Vickie the brand and Vickie Kids Academy on YouTube for more English tips.